Landini has a long tradition in construction of tractors for specific applications, and we bring here the Rex 100 GT, especially for vineyard or orchard. There we can take the Rex with 30 different models from 70 to 110 PS horsepower, with a total width up to 1 meter, with 2 transmissions, mechanical or a power shuttle transmission. We have various hydraulic options up to 3 hydraulic pumps or a lot of different models. And the others is the Series 5D 100 high clearance. Here you can get 3 models, 85 horsepower up to 102 horsepower with a ground clearance up to 70 centimeters, depending on the tire configuration. And so you have, especially for bed farming, vegetable gardenings, or example asparagus, like that. So you have a good advantage with the high ground clearance. And at the EIMA show in Italy, we present the new Rex 4 series, introduced in EIMA, and you can get it there is available in Germany at the end of 2017.